Yo, 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 it's Joe from Photos with Phones. Today, we're here to talk mobile by Peak Design. Let's get it. Why should we care about mobile by Peak Design? Well, Peak Design is a massive player in the photography industry, and for them to jump so on board with mobile photography is a pretty cool thing. Oh hey, this is just me reminding you to hashtag your photos with Phones, for a chance to be featured on the website and the social medias. Let's get back to Mobile by Peak Design. So, yesterday morning I took Mobile by Peak Design out to see what it could do, and now I'm going to run the results. Peak Design calls this a mobile ecosystem, but that's a pretty ambiguous term. So, what is a mobile ecosystem? The idea that Peak Design had when creating mobile was that they wanted to take care of all of your needs. Now, this mobile ecosystem from Peak Design features a number of moving parts. If you want a little more in-depth discussion of these, be sure to check out the written guide on the website, linked in the description. So, the everyday case is the case that makes Mobile by Peak Design work. It has what Peak Design calls a slim link design, which is a 2.4 millimeter profile, which means that the phone is super thin, and it definitely feels smaller than it does with my Moment M series case on it. To be upfront with the bike mount, I don't own a bike. I apologize, Denver is just not a particularly bikeable city, but I did do some testing as far as usability, and I found that it would have been nice if Peak Design had included a ball joint similar to what is on the car mount. The car mount, I found that the ball joint was cool, but it was so sticky as far as like it took a lot of force to move it around. When I first opened up Mobile by Peak Design, I was most excited about the wall mount. The mount attaches, as I mentioned, either via magnets or the 3M adhesive, and you just flip the mount depending on what you're sticking the mount to. So the universal mount will allow you to mount any phone into the mobile ecosystem. The tripod is an interesting design, but I don't know that it performs well enough in the wind to be as usable as I would like. So, what do we make of Mobile by Peak Design? Well, I'll start that answer off by saying that Peak Design didn't share what the starting price of this is going to be, but for me personally, I would not spend a lot of money on Mobile by Peak Design. There are enough small issues that I would wait until maybe one, maybe two redesigns, and then look back into it, because I do trust that Peak Design is the kind of company that's going to want to get this right. But as for now, I would focus on trying to up your lens game, maybe pick up a gimbal, that kind of stuff. It has Mobile by Peak Design certainly has potential, certainly better than IMStick, certainly not going to replace everything that you got. So yeah. If you feel like you got value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button down there. It really helps Photos with Phones out a lot, because it forces YouTube to show our videos to other people. Comment down below if you are going to pick up Mobile by Peak Design when it drops in spring of 2021. I'd love to have a discussion with you, and you can ask me about it, because I have it. As always, subscribe to Photos with Phones' YouTube channel. We're coming out with twice weekly mobile photography and filmmaking, unboxings, reviews, guides, hacks, tricks, ideas, everything. Do it. You won't regret it. Toodles. See you in the next one.